question 20. If x plus y equals 20 and 3x plus 6y equals 84, what is the value of 4x plus 7y? This question is definitely a question on system of equations, meaning you can take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. And the question has asked that you find the value of 4x plus 7y. Let's write it out. You have x plus y equals 20. That's equation 1. Equation 2, you have 3x plus 6y equals 84. And you've been asked to find the value of 4x plus 7y. You might want to solve this by finding the value of x and y, then substituting both values into this equation to find the value of 4x plus 7y. That might take some time. And the SAT exam is time-based. The time is always limited. And some questions might seem like you have to take the long route, but there's a shortcut to them. And in this case, you don't need to find x and y first. You just have to add equation 1 and equation 2 and get the value of 4x plus 7y. You understand as we solve. Let's rule our line. We add equation 1 and equation 2. This is 1x plus 3x. They are like terms. 1x plus 3x would give you 4x. Then you have 1y plus 6y. The 6y carries a positive, so it's not dangerous. Therefore, we can do 1y plus 6y. That will give you plus 7y equals, you add this to 20 plus 84. That will give you 104. So you see that 4x plus 7y will give you 104, which is the answer to the question. So rather than go the route of finding x and y first, then substituting them into this equation to find the value of 4x plus 7y, you can just simply add equation 1 and equation 2 and get the value, which is 104. And the answer is C, that's 104. Note that the shortcut method might not always work. So in such cases, you find x and y first, then substitute them into the equation to find the answer.